Welcome to 1912 Ann Street. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath brick home with a screened porch and fenced backyard, located in West Columbia. It's convenient to Highway 378, I-26, Riverbanks Zoo, and downtown Columbia. So we're out front now. The home is at the end of the street. You see on the left here there is a nice sized driveway. You do have some covered parking under a carport here as well, and you can see access to the backyard through the gate there. There actually is more of a sort of a front porch and a screen porch on the other side of the home, but we'll enter through this side. This is sort of used as the primary entry into the home since it's near the parking. Once we are inside, so you sort of come into an entry area. There is a window in here, also where the laundry connections are. It's off the back of the kitchen, which we will take a look at in a second. But while we're here, since there is also access to the backyard, we'll go ahead and take a look back there. It's out back. You can see back towards the driveway there, but you do have a nice size fenced backyard. There's a storage shed and workshop there as well, possibly powered, but a nice sized backyard. You do have some mature shade trees back here as well. Then we'll go back up. And once we're back inside, you have the kitchen here off that entryway as well. You have a ceiling fan in here, updated countertop. There's an electric stove, also a dishwasher there. You can see beneath sort of a butter block counter, and also a side-by-side refrigerator. And some additional cabinetry on this side. And then you go through to the dining room. So you have a formal dining room off the kitchen. And you do have hardwood floors there, carpet throughout much of the rest of the home. In addition to vinyl, there also is a living room here. And you can see there's a ceiling fan, fireplace there. And this is the other door that was mentioned. It does go out to sort of a front porch area. You'll be able to see that in the photos as well. But I believe the driveway right next to it is the next door house. And then you also have this screened in porch area here that has the ceiling fan, even has a porch swing. And you have some privacy shades that are down right now, but that is just screening behind that. It's a nice outdoor space in addition to the backyard. And then we're sort of back in the central hallway. You can have a ceiling fan here. There's 2 bedrooms off of this hallway. The first is the larger of the 2, most likely. Has 2 windows sort of on the back right corner of the house, and you have a nice sized closet here, hanging space on both sides, and then there's also a linen closet right next door, and then there's a full bathroom. Those 2 rooms share. It is a nice size. You have a single vanity medicine cabinet there, and also a shower and tub, and a window looking out over the backyard. And then the second bedroom is here. So those are maybe roughly the same size. And this one just same design, but just flipped, sort of mirror thing on the back left corner, but facing the backyard as well. And then this one has 2 closets actually. So this may be what you consider the master or the better of the 2, just due to the closet space, but that depends on what you're looking to do with it. So again, that completes our tour of this home. The address is 1912 Ann Street in West Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.